Imam Ali was born on 17 March 599 AD, in Makkah, Saudi Arabia and passed away on 27 January 661 AD, in Kufa, Najaf, Iraq, was 4th Islamic caliph. His full name is Ali ibn Abi Talib and he is also known by some as Imam Ali. Moreover, he was one of the closed companions of Islamic prophet Muhammad, may Allah's peace and blessing be upon him. He was having good relations with all caliphs before him, Hazrat Abu Bakr, Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Uthman, and good relations with the mother of believers, may Allah be pleased with them all. He is well known for his motivational and inspirational Islamic quotes and sayings. Don't develop friendship with the enemy of your friend, otherwise, your friend will turn. It is easier to turn a mountain into dust than to create love in a heart that is filled with hatred. When the people of truth remain quiet against falsehood, the people of falsehood start believing it is the truth. There is no good in silence when it comes to knowledge, just as there is no good in speaking when it comes to ignorance. He who is deserted by friends and relatives will often find help and sympathy from strangers. If you are the recipient of kindness, remember it. If you are the giver of kindness, forget it. Knowledge is better than wealth. Knowledge protects you, but with wealth, you have to protect it.
Your souls are precious, and can only be equal to the price of paradise. Therefore, sell them only at that price. Do not criticize too much. Too much criticism leads to hate and bad behavior. Don't show pleasure in somebody's downfall, for you have no knowledge of what the future holds in store for you. Sometimes your prayers are turned down, because you often, unknowingly, ask for things that are really harmful to you. Beautiful people are not always good, but good people are always beautiful. If you don't know a thing, never hesitate or feel ashamed to learn it.